Hey guys, Claude here with an update to my Tailwindcss Text Shadow Plugin. So I've just added a new feature. That feature is to create a long shadow. So first of all, let's see the problem. Say for instance I take this to X and Y properties and I bump it up. So let's make it 10. You'll see that the shadow doesn't look nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it back to 1. And what I'm going to do is going up to the text shadow and I'm going to say long. And okay, before it will work, you have to go to your Tailwindcss config file and set experimental to true. And now you can move your text in different directions by just adding a minus in front of it. So it's going to be the easiest way for you to create that text shadow. And nice thing about it, you've got some extra utilities here so that you can go, say for instance, from small to large or extra large. And if you want to specify your own steps, you can just go in here and say 1,000, and then you'll have a super long shadow. Okay, so I hope you guys find this little utility useful, and like and subscribe.